Hey, what up, y'all? I'm finna show y'all this worksheet real quick. If you notice, the worksheet has the problems and the answers on it already. You could turn this paper in on Quizstar. You can go right on there and do it. What I am going to do for the next 5 minutes is show you quickly how to go through and solve some of these. I'm going to try to go through the odd number problems so that you can do the even numbers on your own and see how well you do. And then that should help you with the back. Hopefully this gave you enough time to look at all the problems on the front. Here's the back of the sheet. Hopefully this gives you enough time to look at the problems on the back. I'm going to start up in about 5 more seconds. Alright, let's roll with this video. We are working with exponents. When you multiply exponents, all you're really going to do is add the exponent. Now I know that sounds confusing, but let me show you. Our first problem is, why am I not focused? There we go. 4 squared times 4 squared. So really that means 4 squared means 4 times 4. And then this one, 4 squared means times 4 times 4. So that's 1 4, that's 1 4, that's 1 4, and that's 1 4. So in the end, this is really 4 to the 1, 2, 3, 4th power. That's the work for it. So that's 4 to the 4th power. Or a quicker way to do it is you could say this is 4 and then add the 2 2's. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this would be 4 to the 2nd power. Let's go down to this one. I'm going to do it 2 ways. I'm going to do it the long way and the short way. Short way says 3 to the 2nd power times 3 to the 2nd power. Since I know both of the bases already are 3, then I can just add the exponents together, and this should get me 3 to the 4th power. But I want to show you why first, so let me show you why. This means 3 times 3, and this one right here means 3 times 3. So you got 1, 1, 1, and 1. So you got 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s, 4 3s. So that's, you have 3 to the 4th power because you have 4 3s times each other. Let it slide down here. I'm at the 3-minute mark on this video. I got 2 more minutes to go. This one says 2 times n to the 4th power. That means 4n. So that's n times n times n times n. I'm trying to show you the work. And then this says times 5 to the 4th power. Times 5 to n to the 4th power. So this is times 5 times n times n times n times n. So it should look something like that. That's the work. Now we can start putting this together. What is 2 times 5? 10. And how many n's do we have multiplied together? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is times n to the 8th power, because it's 8 of them times each other. Still moving. Let's go down to this problem here. That is 2 times n times n times n times n times 6, and then it says times n to the 4th again, so that's times n times n times n times n, because that's 4 n's. Let's put this together. What is 2 times 6? 12. And n times 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 n is n to the 8th power. Still moving. This will leave us with 5 times. Trying to get just to focus, y'all. There we go. That says b squared, so that's 2b's. That's b times 8 times b. So what is 5 times 8? 40. And then b times b times b is b to the third power. Well, that is a quick video on how to do these problems. But let me see. Let me flip over the back. Let's see. Let's do one hard one. Because I know some of y'all are going to say, but what about the back? Let's do number 15. That would be 6 times m times m times m, because it's 3 m's, times n times n times n, because it's 3 n's, times 8 times 2 m's, m times 3 n's, times n times n times n. That would be the work. Let's put it all together. What is 6 times 8? 48. Now how many m's do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's m to the 5th. And how many n's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'd be times n to the 6th. Alright, that is it for this video. I am going to put another one on for division. Holla back.